Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, there's a bounce back that we're seeing, but seems like at higher levels there is a lid which comes in from the FII selling as well. Do you think at any point in time that lid's going to go off and we'll see a bigger move, given the sort of up move that we're seeing in the mid-cap end after the big dropping?
Good morning, Mogalam. Good morning, Nigel. And clearly, I think yesterday's momentum has been very strong. In fact, if you look at today's setup, it clearly looks like the main level which Nifty has to negotiate on the higher side is 23,260. The moment we see it trending above this particular level, we will see a very strong short covering move unfolding on the higher side, which could push the index towards 23,350, 400 kind of a zone. So I think this overall trend momentum that we have been seeing since yesterday, it should continue on the higher side. We are seeing some fresh developments of a base somewhere close to around 23,140. So probably, even on a decline, some long positions can be added in Nifty. One can keep a stop loss at 23,120 on a closing basis and expect a move towards 23,400. When it comes to Bank Nifty, the base looks strong at around 48,600, but even here, I think the important level on the higher side is placed at 48,960. The moment we see this particular level getting breached, then probably we may see a very strong comeback even in Nifty Bank. But I think the focus would be on Nifty itself. We are having strong evidence of a fresh breakout, and probably we may see an extended rally towards 23,400.
Okay, all right. Extended rally, not ruling that out. Thanks, Sachi, for that. What about individual stocks? What's on your radar?
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, two stocks. In fact, both the stocks have been displaying relative strength since last 2 weeks. One of them is Maruti. Now, if you look at the overall structure, the stock was consolidating for the last two trading sessions near that 12,000 mark. If you look at the overall, setup of its weekly ADX, it has started to trend above that 24-25 mark, which is a breakout zone. Plus, we have seen a very strong put writing action at around 11,800. So probably it looks like an elevated base, a bullish flag formation on the daily scale, which is exhibiting a price target close to around 12,580. And that's why we have also recommended it to our clients. We're expecting this particular move to unfold in two phases. The immediate target is placed somewhere close to around 12,240. The positional target is at 12,580, and we are recommending building long positions in Maruti. One can keep a stop loss at 11,960 on a closing basis. The other stock which we just discussed right now is Mazgaon. Even here, if you look at the last 2 weeks, the stock was outperforming. It has shown a very strong stable price performance. The overall structure also looks like a bullish flag formation, but on the weekly scale itself, the breakout is established well. It has been holding on to above that 2,300 mark. We are expecting this move to extend towards 2830. Trading target is placed somewhere close to around 2650, and that's why even here we are recommending building fresh long positions, keeping a stop loss at 2330.
All right, we take that point. Thank you so much for joining in and giving us your views on the market as well as individual stocks. Take a short break. Come